What's up, you guys? So today's video is going to be a kind of get ready with me, kind of just a, I don't know, like I decided to pull out a palette that I don't think I've actually used on camera. Well, I used it on camera once, but I don't think I ever uploaded that video. So I decided to pull the palette back out and try it again, and it actually performed really well. Like, I genuinely like it. So it's the Jaclyn Morphe collection that she did a while ago, but then there was some drama with it, so it was a whole story. But anyways, so I got the Ring the Alarm palette, which is this one here. Of course, you guys know I love my natural colors, so I decided to pull it out and just, you know, see what I could come up with. And the palette was really pigmented, like super bomb this time. I don't know what happened last time, because the first time I used it, it wasn't, I don't know, I think you had to like scrape the top layer off to get to the like quality product. But this time performed like a dream. You guys can see, really good. Okay, really good. So anyways, if you want to see this look, definitely keep watching. And yeah. Alright, so I think I'm going to use this palette for this look today. I think I did one video with this palette, but I don't think I ever uploaded it. Not that anything was wrong with it. I just never uploaded it for some reason. So I've got to be really quiet because it is 12:10 at night. You guys probably can't see that because I keep my brightness down. But yeah, it's 12:10 at night, so yeah, your girl is definitely up late. Oh, I didn't even show you what color. So I mixed Rush, Mugshot, and Alert, and just put them in my crease. So life has been so crazy around here. My nephew is sick right now, and he's just been like super, I want pet, and I'm just like, what about, how about you want your daddy? How about it, you know? Alright, I think I'm gonna, sorry, I don't want to blind y'all. I'm gonna take Secret, this color right here, and so when these came out, like, they were so hyped. And I don't know if I told y'all, but I ended up ordering this in the Ultra Drama haul. And so I used it for like one video, and I don't think I ever uploaded the video. So we're using it again tonight. And yeah, so I just felt like putting on makeup. So, because I don't know, like, have you ever like just been in a mood where you're just like, I don't feel like wearing makeup, or I don't feel like doing anything. I'm using Rush again just to soften up the color up here. Like, you ever just had a long week? Because that's how it was for me. I was very much alright, I'm gonna go back into Secret with a smaller brush. And I just really, these colors are like very pigmented. Last time I used this, I don't think I remember it being as pigmented. But right now, they pigmented. Now, I don't know, I haven't used the little, the shimmer colors. So I ordered the Kylie Jordan palette, and I got the notice that it shipped today. I'm super excited. I've never tried anything from Kylie Cosmetics, and I thought about trying some of the lip colors now that they are sold in Ulta, because you know it's just easier access. But I don't know, I've really been like drawn to any color specifically, and I'm just like, I don't know what to order. So I got the Kylie Jordan palette, and I also got the lip gloss Partner in Crime, and I'm pretty excited about them coming in because, you know, your girl is always happy to get a new eyeshadow palette. Honestly, that's like the last thing I'm gonna purchase for a while. At least that's what I'm telling myself for now. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go into Boom, this color right here. It's like a rust red color, and put this on my lid. And oh, that's pigmented. I feel like what I discovered was that the top layer had to be scratched off to get to the pigmentation. And so that's what I ended up doing in that video, was scratching off the top layer. Because now everything is coming through really pigmented. So I don't know. Maybe I was just tripping today. But, so yeah. What was I talking about? I ordered the Kylie palette. And I'm pretty excited for it to come. And I don't know, I have some Valentine's Day videos. Do you guys have anything in particular that you would like to see for Valentine's? Or I don't know, like, I think I'm gonna do another outfit ideas video because I think that was pretty well received. Probably not as many outfits this year, just because I'm like, you know, personally, I think I went to church last year for Thanksgiving. I think I went to church for Valentine's Day because my boyfriend at the time had to work. So I think I will probably be in church again, because I want to say my mom is trying to like host something. And alright, so that's enough for eyes. I definitely need some liner. What I'm gonna do next, let me do my bottom lash line too, because I'm tripping. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm gonna blame it on this week. Alright, so I'm gonna go back into Alert and Mugshot and run those underneath my lower lash line. Are these palettes still available? Because if so, like, y'all need to go pick this one up. I'm a warm tone kind of girl. Like, this is where I'm at home. So In fact, I'm actually doing a little something extra with this color on my lids because normally it's like a gold, but it's like, nah, I always do gold, so we gotta do something different. I'm gonna use eyeliner now. But if they are still available, y'all should get at least this one, because I feel like I wanted to get the other ones, but my sister was just like, are you actually going to use them? And I was like, probably not. Yeah, probably not. But I did get this one because I was like, well, I'll probably use that one. And then I realized that I have like 800 other warm palettes. So did I really do anything different? Really? Alright, I'm gonna take this Sex Hidden liner and do my wing. I don't know if I'm gonna leave y'all on for this or not, because last time I tried this, it was a hot mess express with y'all on camera, so I don't know. Alright, y'all, so apparently my camera is only on 14%, so I'm gonna go in with Lolly and apply that to my inner corner. Alright, yeah, see, this one's not as pigmented. I wonder if I'm going to scrape the top off of this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in and do my lips. And I'm going to be using the same lip color I did last video with this lip liner, the pink lip, and or I'll probably do this in just a gloss. Because I really like how it turned out. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to use this one by NARS. It's just Orgasm. And then for highlight, I'm going to use this one. This is Tear by NTF Cosmetics. And this is probably like my most used eyeliner. Most used highlighter of 2018. Okay, as I say, I was just using what was in the top. Not actually getting some highlight, but no. We got highlight now. Tip of the nose. Tip of the nose. She's shining. She's shining. Okay. Brow bone. A little up here in the forehead region. Back on the nose again. A little on the mouth. A little on my chin. And I think that's everything I'm gonna do. Let me blend this out a little bit. Won't be too extra. Alright, so let me go do my hair and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back and I'm about to do final touches, which of course is just to add my lashes. So I have my highlight on, I got everything else on. Your girl is ready, okay? For nothing, but she's ready. By the way, this is NARS Climax mascara, which is one of my favorites right now. Alright guys, so that completes this final look. If you liked it, definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet. And if you guys want to see more videos using the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, just leave a comment down in the comment section and I will get to work on those. I think that's all. So I will see you guys in my next video.